Hi, I'm Dion Jones. This is Soon Sessions, and this is my cover of Leave by Glenn Hansard. I can't wait forever is all that you said before you stood up. And you won't disappoint me, I can do that myself. But now that it's done, if you don't mind, leave. And free yourself at the same time, leave. I don't understand, you've already gone. And I hope you feel better now that it's out. What took you so long? And the truth is a habit of falling out of your mouth. Now that it's come, if you don't mind, leave. And please yourself at the same time, leave. Let go of my hand, you said what you have to now, leave. Let go of my hand, you said what you came to now, leave.